In this video I'll show you how to perfectly cook tuna steak. 2 ways. All you need is super fresh and sustainable tuna, good equipment and focus. So, super fresh, high quality yellowfin tuna. But this method also will work with albacore tuna or skipjack tuna. But always make sure you buy sustainably caught tuna. Line caught and certified by the Marine Stewardship Council. Okay, so the first step is the cut. You don't want to cut it too thin because the tuna will be easily overcooked. So I always cut the tuna on around 2 centimeters. Too thin, it will be easily overcooked. Too thick, the inside won't be cooked. Now it's time to cook the tuna. I'll show you 2 ways: how to pan fry and how to grill. Start with the grilling. Have your grill pan on high heat. So I start with the first steak and I oil the fish, not the pan. And some salt. I'm not adding pepper because the pepper might burn in the pan. So turn it to the other side. So I grill the tuna for 1.5 to 2.5 minutes each side and not moving the steak in the pan. Turn it around. Okay, the steak is out of the pan. We have these beautiful grill marks, a bit caramelized, and inside it's still smooth and juicy and raw. And to have it a bit more warm, I'm using some tin foil for like 2-3 minutes. Look at this, beautiful. It's raw inside, but it's warm. To finish it off, a drizzle of olive oil and some black pepper. Piece of lemon. So now we move on to the second way. We pan fry. So first I bring the pan to medium to high heat. So same as the first, I brush the tuna steak with a bit of oil and I season it with some salt, both sides. Here I don't press the tuna with my hands. I did it with the grilled version to create the grill marks. Here, don't do it. So I cook it for 2 till 3 minutes, turn it around. Okay, same as the first. Cover it with some tin foil or in the oven of around 70 degrees Celsius, 3 till 5 minutes. Drizzle of olive oil. Some pepper and a piece of lemon. So simple, so easy, how to perfectly cook your tuna steak. Grilled or pan fried. Thank you for watching, guys. See you soon.